Row 5 of the Adeline shawl. We've done our 3 chains here, turned our work, gonna puff stitch, chain 1, puff stitch, we're going to do a chain 1, and now in each of our double crochets, that shell, we're going to do what I'm calling a miniature puff stitch, which is where you yarn over, we'll insert our hook into that first double crochet and pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook to that same stitch and pull up another loop. So at this point you're going to have a total of 5 on your hook, but 4 that we're going to work with. For our miniature puff stitch, you're going to yarn over and pull through 4, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2. Chain 1, and we're going to do that in every single double crochet of that shell. I decided to modify these puff stitches to save on material because this particular stitch tends to be quite a yarn eater. So we're able to maintain the same look but use just a little bit less yarn than we would on what I would refer to as like a standard puff stitch, which is used at the beginning and end of each of these rows. Didn't do a chain there. I'm going to be utilizing those chain spaces in our next row. Last miniature puff here. We want our end to match our beginning, so we'll do that chain 1, puff stitch, chain 1, puff stitch. Not sure where that little orange fuzz came from. And remember, the puffs on the ends will always be the standard, where we're yarning over, inserting our hook a total of 3 times. Chaining 3 at the end. And here is how your shawl should be looking at the end of the 5th row.